Now we are supposed to learn about the pharyngeal arches and especially the derivatives of pharyngeal pouches. As you can see here that this region is the pharyngeal arch number 1 written in Roman words. This is pharyngeal arch second, this is third, this is fourth, and this is the sixth one. Now we see from outside the pharyngeal grooves or clefts. This is first cleft, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. And if we see from inside the endodermal area, we see the pharyngeal pouches. This is the pouch number 1, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. So for the derivatives, let's start with the first pharyngeal pouch. It will give rise to primitive tympanic cavity or middle ear, and here we can see the pharyngeotympanic or auditory tube, these being derived from the first pharyngeal pouch. Now come towards the second pharyngeal pouch. It will give rise to tonsils, especially palatine tonsil, along with the tonsillar fossa. Now concentrate on the third pharyngeal pouch. It divides it into dorsal wing and the ventral wing. This dorsal wing will give rise to inferior parathyroid gland, and this will give rise to thymus. Now concentrate on the fourth pharyngeal pouch, again with the dorsal wing and the ventral wing. The dorsal wing will form the superior parathyroid gland, and the ventral wing will transform into ultimobrachial body or the parafollicular cells of the thyroid gland to produce calcitonin. So these are the derivatives. So if you see the derivatives of pharyngeal clefts, so only the first pharyngeal cleft is going to produce the external acoustic meatus, and the rest of them are seems to be obliterated due to the overgrowth of the second pharyngeal arch, and finally it will be converted into cervical sinus. Now, if we talk about the pharyngeal membrane, only first membrane will give rise to the tympanic cavity eardrum or tympanic membrane. So that is all regarding the derivatives of pharyngeal pouches and cleft. You can see them clearly.